Hello everyone. Uprooted trees, demolished houses, cars lifted into the air, wrecked docks with boats. These are just a few of the destructive impacts of some storms and tornadoes. Today, we'll explore some of the most horrifying and astonishing ones. Let's get it on.
Is there anything above us? I don't know. I told you.
You can't even imagine how completely different the view will be in just a moment. A tornado ripped through Lincoln, Nebraska on April the 26th, 2024, tearing off the roof and 3 walls of a factory that spanned more than 10,000 square meters.